First of all, thank you very much. I made a new Instagram account where I have 1,800 followers. I made a new YouTube channel where I have 70 subscribers. And I made around $2,000 on social media. It was a good year. Hello, my name is Meg. Before I start, this is not me bragging about social numbers or passive income. I just want to help small creators because I find these videos helpful and fun. Also because I'm nosy. When I was smaller, I wanted to know these things. I'm still a small creator, I just want to be transparent and help you in one way or another. I also want to look back and make sure I'm improving and growing every year. If you are uncomfortable with people talking about money, please don't watch this video because I'm telling you how much I made on social media. So 2021, I wanted to make a new Instagram account where I posted about makeup and skincare and just post in English and have 1,000 followers. I wanted to make a new YouTube channel where I posted about growth on social media, again just in English, and have 50 subscribers. And I wanted to make $2,000 on social media. July 11th, I made my current Instagram account, and in 5 months, I have posted 128 pieces of content and grown to over 1,800 followers. August 27, I uploaded my first video on this YouTube channel, and 4 months later, I have produced 26 videos and gained over 70 subscribers. Including affiliate marketing, sponsorships, YouTube AdSense from my other Japanese channel, I have made around $2,000. So I made all of my goals. Let's break it down. Instagram. Up until July, I had another Instagram account and around 6,000 followers. I was receiving and posting a lot of PR, but I got tired and stopped accepting PR. I ditched that account and decided to start from scratch. August 25th, I hit 1,000 followers on my new account. I will say that it was slightly easy for me because I was able to get people from my old account to follow my new account. It took me another 4 months to get 800 more followers, but I really think this is organic growth. Deep down, I wanted 2,000 followers by the end of the year, but it didn't happen, and I'm okay with that. To every single one of you who has followed me and engaged with my content, thank you very much. YouTube. Because I have another YouTube channel, I know how hard it is to get subscribers as a new channel. But I have 70 and I'm proud of myself. To some of you, 70 may not be a lot, but to me, it's a big deal. I wanted to make this channel for over 3 years, and this year I was finally able to make it, actually film videos and upload them. Most people don't even do that. They want to, but they don't. I stopped making excuses and I started. I'm consistent on here too. I have uploaded 28 videos and have 2,827 views altogether, which is a lot, and I'm really proud of myself. I truly believe that I have helped people, so I'm going to continue. And to every single one of you who has watched my videos or have subscribed, thank you very much. Passive income. Affiliate marketing wise, I only made around $100. It's actually more, but I get paid through PayPal and I'm having issues. I am waiting for around $500 combined to be sent to my bank account, but it's not happening this year. Maybe next year, fingers crossed. Maybe I won't get it, but it's fine. It's only an extra income and I shouldn't just rely on that. I do want to say that I am truly grateful for every single one of you who use my affiliate links and codes, so thank you very much. They are linked down below if you want to support me. Sponsorships wise, this is on my other Japanese YouTube channel. I'm not allowed to say exactly how much I made per video, but I can say that I did 3 and altogether I got paid around $2,000. YouTube AdSense wise, I made around $400. This is again from my other Japanese channel. It wasn't my best year. I made around triple in 2020, but it was completely my fault. I was uploading less frequently. I took a break. Some of them were just post-to-post videos. I definitely lacked quality and I just couldn't get views. Not going to lie, I blamed my subscribers at first. I had around 8,500 subscribers, but sometimes I would only get 100 views on my videos. If it was a good topic, I would get around 3,000 views. When it was really good, I would get around 10,000 views. But they were from non-subscribers. I just didn't understand why my subscribers wouldn't watch all of my videos if they were subscribed to me. That's how entitled I was. Then I finally realized that I was all over the place. I was posting about makeup one day, skincare the next, a vlog the next day, a haul the next day, and people just weren't interested in everything. People who subscribed for makeup didn't care about skincare. People who subscribed for skincare didn't care about makeup. Then there were YouTube Shorts. I gained a lot of subscribers from shorts, but they were mainly international viewers because I don't speak in my shorts. So when they saw me uploading normal content and I was talking in Japanese, they probably didn't understand, so they didn't watch and or unsubscribed. I am bleeding subscribers at the moment. I am down to 7,700 subscribers now, which is still a lot, but I lost over 800 subscribers this year. But it's okay. I'm not going to cry over lost subscribers. I am going to stop being entitled, understand that people have a right to choose whatever videos they want to watch. I am also going to try to improve my videos each time, and I will grow again and hopefully make at least $1,000 next year on AdSense. So passive income wise, I made around $2,500, and yes, that was what I was paid, but there are also expenses you need to take into consideration. For example, monthly subscriptions like Canva, where I design thumbnails, TubeBuddy and Morning Fame, where I do research for YouTube, small things that add up, and then things like investing in a microphone. And then there are taxes as well. I live in Japan, so things will be different, but I do have to pay taxes depending on how much I earn aside from my part-time job. Some people can write things off, but in my case, because it's a hobby and I can't apply it as a business yet, I can't just write everything off and get it back. Pocketed wise, actual profit wise, it goes down to around $2,000, which is still a lot, but I want you to understand that when people say I make $10,000 in passive income every month, sometimes it's before these expenses and taxes. They don't actually have $10,000 in profit, so please don't believe every number you hear. This is why I wanted to film this video, to give you the real side. A lot of people make videos where they tell you how much they made on social media, but I think it's misleading. They don't tell you that you have to pay expenses and taxes, and you do, you just have to. A lot of people make it seem so easy, and you might think it is, so you try and then realize that it's not. Unrealistic expectations are what these people give. I want to be realistic. I want to motivate you, but warn you too. I'm not the best at making money on social media, but I have, and let me tell you, it's not easy. Just remember that and ask yourself, are you willing to actually commit and put in the hard work? Because it takes time. Making money is not easy. Let's move on to goals for 2022. Reach 5,000 followers on Instagram. Follower count is not the most important factor to me anymore. However, because I have this YouTube channel where I'm trying to help you grow on Instagram, I want and I kind of need followers to back me up. Because let's be real, who are you going to listen to more? Someone with 5,000 followers or someone with 1,800 followers? Probably someone with 5,000 followers, and I don't blame you. I need results to have more credibility, and I'm going to get them. Also, there are some influencer apps where you have to have at least 5,000 followers just to join, and I want to investigate and do some digging. It's a big number, but it's not impossible, and I want something to work towards. The most followers I gained in a month is 400. It won't be like that every month, but let's say 300 followers monthly. Times that by 12 and I have 3,600. Add that to 1,800 and that's 5,400. So it can happen. I'm not going to say a number that I can easily hit, so I'm going with 5,000. Which does mean that I have to stay consistent. I have been posting nearly every single day, so I need to keep posting new content, which means I'm going to have to batch content as usual. Just so you know how determined I am, I already have 60 pieces of content to post just on Instagram. That is how focused I am, and it should be another step closer to 5,000 followers. Wish me luck. Reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. In my opinion, right now, for me, getting subscribers on YouTube is harder than getting followers on Instagram. The reason I say 1,000 is because, being honest, I want to be monetized. I want to make money from this channel. I have another YouTube channel where I make money, but I want to grow this channel. Again, I want and I kind of need subscribers to back me up, because who are you going to listen to more? Someone with over 1,000 subscribers or someone with 70 subscribers? Obviously, someone with over 1,000 subscribers, and that's totally normal. I need results to have more credibility, and I'm going to get them. The most subscribers I gained in a month is 30, but I need around 80 to hit 1,000, so I'm going to continue to upload videos consistently. Just so you know how serious I am, I have 150 video ideas at the time of recording. I just need to film them. Wish me luck again. Make $3,000 in passive income. Affiliate marketing wise, let's just say that I don't see that $500 I spoke about earlier. I want to make at least $1,200. The money I've made so far this month will be deposited in January, so I'm already at $1,100 left. I'm going to be a bit more aggressive, shall I say. I'm going to push my affiliate links just a bit more. Not too much that people get annoyed with me. I also want to get sponsorships from international brands. I haven't accepted a sponsorship on my new Instagram account or my new YouTube channel yet. YouTube wise, I'm too small, no one will sponsor me. Instagram wise, I've had a couple of offers, but either I didn't align with their morals, basically they didn't have one, they wouldn't accept my terms, or it wasn't enough compensation. Next year, I do want to do some as long as I'm happy with it. Yes, I do want money, but the main reason is to prove that small creators can get paid. I want to really show people how small creators can get paid, and if I can get sponsored, it means you can. I want to do at least 2 and altogether get at least $800. My Japanese YouTube channel is easier to get sponsored because I have a following already, so I hope to do at least 3 and make at least $2,000. So even after expenses and taxes, I can pocket around $3,000. Now let's talk about some mistakes I made and how I fixed it. Up until July, I did follow for follow, like for like, comment for comment. I was in an engagement group. I manipulated my audience. I kept moaning about not growing. I was posting just to post. I burnt out and took a break. Instagram meant so much to me. I relied on it too much and I was addicted to it. Every 5 minutes, I would check my follower count and check how many likes I had. I didn't take care of myself and mentally I broke down. There's no one reason, but July I just stopped getting obsessed with follower count and like count. I was like, I don't care about the numbers anymore. I really started to want to provide value, help people with their purchasing decisions, and help people grow on social media. I started to think about what I can give people, not what can I get from people. The shift in mindset actually led me to growth and allowed me to actually help people. Never use social media for validation. Have a clear goal on what you want to do. Think about your audience, but take care of yourself. Take scheduled breaks. If you are a small creator or you want to be an influencer, I understand that you want big numbers, whether it be your following or income. However, you need to understand that both of them take time to generate. I am in my 4th year of influencing. I finally worked things out a bit. Some people have more followers and subscribers than me. Some people don't. Some people earn more money than me. Some people don't. Everyone grows at their own speed and everyone gets different results. I want this video to help you, motivate you, challenge you, but please don't compare yourself to me. You and I are in totally different situations. However, we should both be grateful for everything we get. What I have, I am grateful for. None of this would have happened if I didn't have you. Sometimes I forget that. I feel like I deserve more. But 2022, I really want to appreciate everything, stop being entitled and keep growing. So if you want to join my journey, please consider subscribing. This is my last video for 2022. Thank you so much for making it an amazing year. I hope that I was able to give you some sort of value, and I promise I will keep trying to do so. Whatever you accomplish this year, congratulations and well done to you. Whatever you want to accomplish next year, let's do it together. You can start by clicking a playlist that I have already made for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in 2022. Happy growing. Bye.